Westeri izoba n'izoba ry'obusaasi aha ihanga n'abantu b'ensi na munonga abakuruga omu district eya Bushenyi n'ebicweka byona aha dakiika 30 ezarenga omu shaaha 5 z'ekiro turi aha kishaayi aha Entebbe International Airport kandi omubiri Gw'Omugyenzi Lake Canon Honorable Mary Karooro nibwo gwahika aha kishaayi eki kandi bari mbagwakira omubiri Gw'Omugyenzi na family kugigumya omu mbeera nk'egi harimu omuhwezi wa speaker w'ishengyero rya Uganda Right Honorable Thomas Tayibwa hariho n'owabireho enganzi ya Uganda nashi Prime Minister Right Honorable Ruhakana Rugunda hariho na Honorable Minister Rafael Magezi hariho na Honorable Michael Mawanda ogunowa Igara West n'abantu bingi abari aha bategerize okureba omubiri tugambira aba iprasma bembire bodeji kandi barigire kuhikiriza ngo nuwe family ryo nemwakira.
Those who were fortunate and you met her before she left for Nairobi, you know how frail, how weak she was. But I think we need to thank God. We need to thank God that she has fought a good fight. She has been faithful to the Lord. And I know for us who know God, really, we are not worried that our great mama has gone. Because she knew where she has gone. She was very, very strong, very faithful. And she has served this country. I think we better give God a very big hand clap. But I think you need to remember something very, very important that we cannot forget. That from dust we came, to dust we return. From dust we came, to dust we return. It is a reality of life. Whether we like it or not. I tell you. When you pass Bushenyi warebe mukazogwe byabe yatanika kukora hariya. There are many people there abariyunu barara. But that's life. I think we thank God for this government. His Excellency the President and the government of Uganda. Thank you, Deputy Speaker, that you have done your part as a government. You have helped her. She has survived. She has given her all in serving this government. And let's thank God. If you were not born, what would we have lost? Imagine if Mary was not born. We would have lost so much. We would have lost so much. She has helped so many. So many, even those who are not related to her. So we thank God for her life. It is well with our souls. It is well, it is well. We know we have lost. We have lost. As human beings, we have lost. But God, you have a reason why this has happened, but we thank you. We thank you that Honorable Canon Mary Businje, she has lived this country. She has lived her life. She has lived her life purposely. And she has helped so many. And we cannot regret. We cannot regret. We know what she was to this country.